Da ni yma heddiw yn warchodfa natur lleol Llangoed ac Aberlleiniog. Da ni yn yr elfenna, da ni'n gallu clywed sŵn yr gwynt yn y coed, a pobl yn dysgu am yr gwahanol rywogaethau sydd yn byw yn y goedwig yma, ac yn dysgu am sut da ni yn gwarchod yr warchodfa arbennig yma. Mae hwn yn rhan o weithgareddau cynllun Rhagnodi Gwyrdd, prosiect Clwlm Seiriol. Mae'r rhaglen yn ymgorffori y 5 ffordd at lles, felly mae pobl yn cael rhywfaint o ymarfer corff, ac yn ystod yr sesiwn maen nhw'n dod i nabod i gilydd, maen nhw'n gwneud ffrindiau newydd, a wedyn maen nhw hefyd yn dysgu. So mae'n elfen o ddysgu sgiliau newydd a dysgu gwybodaeth oedden nhw ddim yn wybod o blaen.
Doctors refer people to me and then I have a consultation with them, find out what they're interested in, and if they are interested in doing outdoors kind of stuff, then I lead them in the right direction.
I joined the gym in Morris because I was having trouble with my back and other problems, and I joined the gym and Sam mentioned about green prescribing to me, which I'd never heard of before. And so she said to me, would you be interested? So I basically said I'd sign up and join, and that's how I got onto it, and I really thoroughly enjoyed it. So yes, it's amazing what we've been doing.
I've always loved being outside, and the time, it just disappears, and you know, all your worries disappear, you know, because you're just kind of enveloped in all the nature of things, really. And the weather doesn't even matter, does it? You know, you can dress up warm, wear waterproofs, and just get on with it, and I really enjoy it.
The ones that do try, once they do, that's it, they're hooked. Mentally, people just feel so much better just getting out, doing things outdoors. The exercise, you know, their blood pressure comes down, their weight comes down. A lot of people do change their diet as well, eating more healthily, you know, learning about diet, things like that.
Mae bob un wythnos da ni'n gwneud gweithgaredd gwahanol. Heddiw, maen nhw'n gwneud lanterna a maen nhw'n dysgu amdan gwahanol fathau o bren. Maen nhw hefyd yn dysgu naddu pren, maen nhw'n dysgu sut i wehyddu hefo helyg, a mae'r deunyddiau yma i gyd ar gael o fewn y goedwig.
Mae wedi bod yn amser caeth ofnadwy efo Covid. Mi da ni symud pethau ymlaen. Mi da ni yn gweithio efo cymunedau i trio gael pawb allan yn yr awyr agored efo'r green prescribing.